Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I will teach you how to create a Payoneer account properly in 2022. I will provide this link in the description. Click that link and it will open this web page. And then click on register. Choose individual. And choose get paid by international clients. And then click on register. It will ask for your account type. I choose individual cause. I will use this for my personal work. You can also choose company if you want to create an account for your business. If you choose individual, it will ask for your first name and last name. Make sure that your name here is same as on your bank account. And then you have to provide an email address. This email will work as username to log into this account. And then retype it. Now choose your date of birth. And now you have to type your legal address. At first choose your country. Then write down your street address, your city or town. And your zip code. And now you have to write a legal phone number. They will send you a verification code on this number. So make sure this is real. And now you have to create a password for your account. Add some security questions for extra security. And now you have to verify yourself with your national ID card, passport, driving license, smart ID card. And complete the security code. Now you have to provide your bank details. First choose your bank location. Then choose your bank currency. Then choose your bank from options. And also choose the branch name if needed. Now if you made a mistake like me in the name, remember you can always go back and correct the mistake. After that, type your bank account number. And check these boxes. You have successfully created your Payoneer account. It will take 2 to 7 days to get reviewed. After being reviewed by the admins, you can use your account properly. Make sure to confirm the email address right after you create this account. You're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe for more contents like this one. And if you want a video about how to get your free Payoneer MasterCard, comment down below. I will try to make it as fast I can.